Hey guys, so I'm currently sitting in my e46 coupe from 2003, and as you can see, my plastic interior trim needs a bit of a refreshment. So in today's video we are going to remove these plastic parts. We're gonna prepare them for painting, we're gonna paint them, then put it all together and I will show you the final result. And there we go. There is 2 screws. Is from Audi. So hold it like this. You can see we have 2 more screws. Push it a bit up and to your side. It should come out without any problem. Both these wires. Just remember to be gentle. All of the cables are out. This is the current status of the work. So this is out, this is out, and as of now I believe we can start to prepare this plastic trim for the painting and the makeover. Buttons from this panel, and in order to do that I'm gonna turn this around, and as you can see we have 2 other screws, and this one is Torx size 10. I hope you can see. Take it off. At this stage we can start removing the rubber coating. And this is the tool I will be using to remove this rubber coating. Alright guys, so it has already been a couple of hours and I have started the assembly, as you can see. So of course everything in reverse order. So first this part, then the 2 screws over here, and we can proceed. Then we have these 2 little bad boys over here. Just don't overdo it because this plastic trim is very soft, it can break easily. And the last screws, and we can put this all together. And this is it.